In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts in QuickBooks Online. This is an important task that ensures your financial records are accurate and up to date, reflecting your real-world financial situation. Reconciling your accounts helps in spotting any discrepancies between your bank statements and what is recorded in QuickBooks, setting you up for better financial management. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon. It's located at the top right of the QuickBooks Online interface. Clicking on this icon opens up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and click on Reconcile. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in the reconciliation area, you'll need to select the account you want to reconcile. You'll see a list of accounts, typically including your checking accounts, savings accounts, and any credit card accounts you have linked to QuickBooks. Choose the one that aligns with the statement you're working from today. Next, grab your most recent bank or credit card statement. On this statement, you'll find the ending balance and the ending date, two crucial pieces of information for this process. Carefully enter the ending balance as accurately as possible, making sure you've included all numbers and digits correctly. After that, input the ending date exactly as it appears on your statement. This ensures that QuickBooks knows the specific period you're reconciling. Once you've entered these details, double-check to make sure everything is correct. When you're confident that everything matches your statement, go ahead and click Start Reconciling. This will lead you to a new page where the actual reconciling begins. This is where you'll start comparing what's in QuickBooks with what's on your bank statement. Look closely at each transaction. QuickBooks will list transactions, and your task is to match these with the transactions on your statement. As you review, manually check off each transaction in QuickBooks that matches one on your bank statement. This might seem tedious, but it's crucial for accuracy. Now, it's really up to you to ensure every transaction is accounted for. If everything matches perfectly, you'll end up with a zero difference, and that's exactly what you're aiming for. If things don't add up, don't worry. Take a moment to hunt for any missing transactions or errors. That's all there is to it. Once you've confirmed that all transactions match and any discrepancies are resolved, you've successfully reconciled your account. This routine practice will help you maintain clean and accurate records, ensuring that your financial reporting is always on point. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling.